Hey everyone! In this guide, I'm going to show you how to build and set up an AI chatbot in HubSpot within just a few minutes using the full 2026 setup. So first, open your browser, go to hubspot.com, click log in, and sign into your account. Once your main dashboard loads, we're ready to create your chatbot. From the top menu, click automation, and then select Chatflows. This is where HubSpot manages live chat and AI-powered bots. Click Create Chat Flow, choose Website as your platform, and then select the AI chatbot option. HubSpot will now guide you through a few simple setup steps. Start by naming your chatbot and selecting your preferred language. This helps the AI understand how to communicate with visitors. Next, choose the main purpose of your bot. You can set it to answer frequently asked questions, qualify leads, book meetings, route chats to your support team, or a combination of these. To make your chatbot truly smart, connect your website pages or HubSpot knowledge base. This allows the AI to automatically pull real answers from your content instead of using only basic responses. The more helpful content you connect, the better your chatbot becomes. After that, customize the chat widget. You can change the welcome message, adjust your brand colors, choose an avatar, and decide where the chat bubble appears on your website. These small visual changes help the chatbot match your brand and feel more natural to visitors. Next, choose where the chatbot should appear and when it should be active. You can display it on all website pages or only specific ones, and you can run it 24/7 or only during business hours. Once everything is set, click Review, check your settings one last time, and then click Publish. Your AI chatbot goes live instantly. And that's it. That's how to build and set up an AI chatbot in HubSpot within minutes using the 2026 setup. With this in place, you can automate support, capture leads, and respond to visitors around the clock without extra effort. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you